Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show to create an image using AI tool. Here you can go and type Freepik AI image generator tool. As we know, this one is the website where we can find out and download thousands of images free of cost. Simply you need to go and create your free account, continue with Google, and then click here continue button. Now scroll down and here you can type anything. For example, create an image for flying taxi. Then you can select the style. After that, click here this button and here you can select the image aspect ratio. Let me select this one, 16:9. You can also fill out other options. After that, click here generate button. Here you can see image is generated. That looks great. You can easily export this image in your laptop by clicking this button. You can like the video from here. You can also move this video and you can share this image with your friends.